Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have the essentials, so start now by opening the folder you want to link. Use File Add Folder to Workspace to create a workspace container. Once done, install or enable any required extensions like Remote or Settings Sync. They simplify remote or multi-machine linking. Next, open an integrated terminal and verify Git or SSH access if you will link repositories. Make sure paths are correct, and note whether you need a symbolic link versus a workspace reference before proceeding. Now you will create the actual connection. If you need a file system link, open the terminal and run ln-ssource target on Mac/Linux or mclink on Windows. This makes files appear in place without duplication. Once created, reload the window so VS Code recognizes the link. Alternatively, edit your code workspace file to add folders with relative paths. This creates workspace-level references. Make sure settings JSON points to the correct relative paths, and enable follow symlinks to avoid permission, or finish by reloading VS Code and validating that the linked files open, search, and debug as expected. Test quick actions like go to definition and file watching. They reveal path or permission problems. If something breaks, first verify file system permissions and that the link targets exist. A key troubleshooting tip: remove the symlink and recreate it or update the code workspace paths and restart VS Code. This resolves most stale index or access errors quickly, so you can continue coding without delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.